3, 2, 1.
What is an hour divided by 12 called? The answer is A, quarter. How many fighters are playable in Street Fighter Roman 2? The answer is A, 8. What are the narrowest blood vessels where oxygen is transferred into body cells? The answer is B, capillaries. What year did The Golden Girls first air? The answer is B, 1985. What term refers to a group of individuals of the same species that live in the same area and is the unit of natural selection, adaptation, and microevolution? The answer is A, population. What animal is also known as the living fossil? The answer is C, dinosaur. Which modern author created the character Ari Ben-Kanon? The answer is A, Leon Uris. Which type of glaciers form in high mountains and travel through valleys? The answer is C, alpine glaciers. Which dessert consists of thin wafers with cream and fruits? The answer is C, crate. I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. What am I? The answer is A, calculator. I have many parts that slide in and out. What am I? The answer is A, dresser. What is a round table in medieval context? The answer is B, a game for knights. The Sun is approximately 1.5 x 10^8 km from Earth. The speed of light is 3.0 x 10^8 m/sec. What is the distance from the Sun to Earth in light seconds? The answer is D, 5.0 x 10^2 light seconds. Which example shows a relationship between a living thing and a non-living thing? The answer is C, a tree removes a gas from the air. In what country did the damper bread variety originate? The answer is D, Australia. How long did it take for the Titanic to sink? The answer is C, 2 hours, 40 minutes. Women's Memorial is a site honoring all military women past, present, and future. Which cemetery is it located in? The answer is B, Arlington National Cemetery. Who played the role of Hannibal Lecter in Silence of the Lambs? The answer is A, Anthony Hopkins. What was the name of the second in command at 5-0? The answer is C, Danny Williams. Which is electrically attracted to positively charged particles in an atom? The answer is B, electrons. I can fill your living room with people, but I don't invite anyone. What am I? The answer is C, radio. What civil rights advocate received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964? The answer is C, Martin Luther King, Jr. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need fresh air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? The answer is D, plant. What was Theodore Roosevelt's wife's first name? The answer is D, Edith. I have many pages, yet I'm afraid of the forest. What am I? The answer is A, map. I contain a world where everything is backwards. What am I? The answer is B, looking glass. In the human body, cellular respiration breaks down sugar molecules after they enter the cell. What results from this process? The answer is B, release of energy. What is the name of the pirate that the Goonies are searching for in the self-titled movie? The answer is A, One-Eyed Willie. I'm full of holes with corners. What am I? The answer is B, Swiss cheese. What is it that you just missed, and yet it has passed?
The answer is D, time.
I wield a sword and slay monsters daily, but I'm only pixels. What am I? The answer is C, video game character. What is the name of the architectural style characterized by its use of curved forms and decorative motifs? The answer is B, Art Deco. It's a boxer's best friend, but can't fight. What is it? The answer is B, glove. The basal forebrain contains what that are important in learning and memory. The answer is B, nuclei. Who broke the record for fastest marathon dressed as a fruit? The answer is C, John Jones 2546 as a banana. I sharpen pencils, but I don't eat them. What an eye! The answer is D, pencil sharpener. Which of these former gymnasts won the most medals in the Olympics? The answer is A, Larissa Latvinenko, Russia. I'm as silent as a mouse, yet I can help you shout from the rooftops. What am I? The answer is A, a megaphone. Which country gained independence from the UK and France in 1980 and has a national anthem entitled Yumi, Yumi, Yumi? The answer is A. Vanuatu. Which artist is known for his pop art works like Campbell's soup cans? The answer is A. Warhol. Which furniture is associated with Napoleon Bonaparte? The answer is D. Throne. The person who developed the popular game Sudoku was from which country? The answer is B. Switzerland. In what Pokemon version can Palkia be obtained? The answer is C. Pearl. What is the protective garment worn by a boxer? The answer is A. Gloves. Gasoline is derived from which other liquid? The answer is D. Oil. What happens when a neutral atom gains or loses electrons? The answer is A. It becomes an ion. Which country has the Great Barrier Reef? The answer is B. Australia. Which physicist developed the theory of relativity? The answer is A. Albert Einstein. Scientists have developed an allergy medication from a plant that is part of the rainforest food chain. What concern might develop when producing this medication from the plant? The answer is D. Decrease in a food source to rainforest wildlife. Who was the first person to walk on the North Pole?